Hello and welcome to Four Seasons DIFC in Dubai. DIFC stands for Dubai International Financial District. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my corner junior suite, room 117 within this hotel. First things first, I'll show you the view. My room happens to face the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. We're also by many of the best, or what are regarded to be the best, restaurants and bars, upmarket restaurants and bars in this part of town. Mini bar facilities over there, mini bar behind the cabinet door, substantial living space, bonsai tree over there, I've just caught it this moment, really big desk. So every room has quite a substantial workspace in reflection of the fact that this property appeals to a lot of business travelers. They have what they call bleisure guests as well, who come here for the week for work and then extend their stay. If you book a room here, you also get access to the beach and pool facilities at the other Four Seasons resort on the seafront, about a 15-minute cab journey from here. I'll give you another look at the bed. Very, very comfy, standard Four Seasons bedding. Walking in, here is your walk-in wardrobe space. I'm trying to avoid getting my bags in frame because it's really messy. Here is your bathroom. As you can see, it's glass. You can look directly out into the bedroom, but there is a blind that extends downwards at the touch of a button. Toilet over there, shower over there, me over there, and here is your sink. Very interesting. Toiletries are by Diptyque. So that's it. Quick tour of the corner junior suite, room 117 at Four Seasons DIFC. I have to say I'm very impressed by this hotel. The service has been superb. They've really delivered. Some nice dining as well, and not as flashy or glitzy or gimmicky as lots of hotels in this city.